Kayo po ang nag-regulate ng drone, ano?
Yes po.
Kung halimbawa ang isang tao gusto niyang bumili ng malaking drone na classified na ginagamit ng pang-commercial, he can buy it if he wants to.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, how safe is this drone if we're talking sa mga airport natin?
If I may, Your Honor, the drone is a loaded gun. It can be used for peace, and it could be used for otherwise.
Thank you. That's exactly what I'm leading to. The next question. Yung isang tao dito sa open category, bibili siya ng drone malaki. Kargahan niya ng bomba, granada, papaliparin niya sa airport natin, sa aeroplano, babanggain yung aeroplano, or meron siya specific target sa military installation natin, papasabugin. Paano natin mapigilan yun?
Your Honor, I think we have also one resource person present now, Mr. Billy Pasqua, who will also be introducing counter-drone measures naman.
So, ano po yung anti-drone? Kung tawagin yan?
Commonly called counter-UAS, unmanned aerial system, or anti-drone. Definitely, sir. But it can be countered in so many ways, and one of which is through interrupting the signal between the controller and the drone. But there are
Okay.
so many other ways of...
So, lahat ho ba ng building merong tinatawag nyong counter anti-drone?
I'm not sure of that, sir, but I'm sure most don't have.
So, ito ba sinasabi nyo sa ating pamahalaan, sa ating mga otoridad? I'll give you an example. Halimbawa, kakargahan ng bomba yung isang drone, tapos crash doon, isang police station, sabog. So, pwede mangyari yon. Tama? At
Tama.
kung wala siyang counter anti-drone. So, anong plano natin ngayon? Kasi, kaya ko nabanggit to, ginamit to sa Ukraine and Russian war, di ba? Drone to drone, kinakarga ng bomba, kanya-kanyang pasabugan. And there's a possibility na pwede gamitin ng terorista ito sa atin for a specific target. So, nobody's safe. How does it work, yung counter anti-drone, sir?
Basically cuts off the signal between the controller and the drone, sir. But there are other anti-drone measures can be as innovative as having yung ibon, sir, uhulihin niya yung drone. There are birds that are trained to look for drones and basically
Birds?
catch it. Yes, sir.
Wala bang isang technology na naka-install lang dyan? Kunyari, isang bahay, install sa bubong niya yung counter anti-drone. 24/7 nag-operate yun para pag may dumaan na drone doon sa bahay na yon, mawala ng signal yung drone, babagsak.
That's basically what a counter drone is, and pwede yun, sir. Ganun.
So hindi na kailangan pang antayin pag nakita yung drone saka gagamit yung device.
Yes, sir.
So yung device, it continues to operate.
Yes, sir.
Kaap, so meron tayong ganon, counter anti-drone sa airport, 24/7, naka-install.
For now, Your Honor, wala po.
Why not? Isn't that dangerous na wala pala tayong counter anti-drone sa ating mga airport?
I agree, Your Honor.
Ano pong plano? Ano pong ginagawa natin? Ano pong game plan?
Your Honor, if I may, in Asia, wala pa naman po talaga may effective anti-drone around their structures because number one, the technology is still very expensive at this time.
Meron pa ba mas expensive sa buhay ng mga tao sa nakasakay sa aeroplano?
I agree with you, Your Honor.
Hindi ko po kayo nakikipag-usap sa ating military.
Actually, Your Honor, we have had numerous dialogues in the office with the military personnel. One of the questions that they ask is if they see a drone within their camp, are they legal to shoot it? By all means.
Okay.
Because if it will endanger your operations, that is not a civilian matter anymore.
For me, dapat we continue on finding ways, siguro, solution. Sabi ko na nga, ino-offer ko, kausapin yung mga airlines para tumulong. Is it something na pwede niyong pag-aralan, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Pasqua, para po sa inyo, bilang anti-drone expert, alisin na natin yung technology na mamahalin, sabi nga ni Kaap. For now, nakikita niyo pong solusyon para maiwasan yung mga pwedeng masamang mangyari.
For the anti-drone, sir, one of the best way definitely would be through technology as well. So we need to counter it by having a counter drone, sir. And then the other one that I mentioned would be a cheaper one is through training birds to look for drones and catch it. Actually, in most airports, meron yun, sir. Dahil
Okay, Kaap. Pwede na muna siguro tayo doon tayo sa low-tech, yung ibon. Wala ba tayong ititrain ng mga ibon?
Your Honor, the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines has no expertise in the matter, but we would definitely look into that possibility now that Mr. Billy Pasco has brought it to our attention. Because, Your Honor, one of the challenges that also faced the aviation industry is actually bird strikes. So we introduce
Oh.
two factors now.
O nga naman, Mr. Pascua. Pero sabi mo, Sir, Mr. Pascua,
Even
ginagamit yun ng ibang bansa na, ano?
I believe even for bird strikes, sir, birds are being used to sway away those birds' information.
O, yun naman pala, ano, kaap. O nga naman, ginagamit yung mga trained birds para tabuyin yung mga grupo ng mga birds na mag-cause ng bird strike. O sige, ano namang counter mo, Mr. Kaap?
Actually, Your Honor, I think this will become a chicken and egg scenario.
Ba't di kayo mag-train? Ba't hindi nyo subukan? Mag-seminar po kayo kay Mr. Pascua.
Your Honor, one bird alone cannot possibly cover 10-kilometer radius.
Sir, dapat maghanap tayo ng paraan. Huwag
Yes,
yung
Your
nakatungangan
Honor,
lang
please
tayo
be
tapos
rest assured
bahala ng
that,
Diyos. Huwag naman po.
Yes, Your Honor. We'll look into that.